Ja, das stimmt. Das stimmt.
I'm the technical project manager for the RSQ3 family at Audi Sport. The absolute highlight from this car is under the bonnet. We have the aluminum 5-cylinder with 400 horsepower and 480 Newton meters of torque. In comparison to the predecessor, we have a plus of 60 horsepower and a plus of 30 Newton meters. We are able to accelerate this car from 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds, and the top speed is at 280 kph.
Hello, my name is Caroline Krause. I'm the product manager of the RSQ3 family and I'm from Audi Sport. And now let's talk about the exterior highlights of the RSQ3. First, we start with the front of the car. Here we have a completely new front bumper, we have a completely new honeycomb grille, and we have the great black Audi rings and logos. And this grille gives the car a bright stance, and we have completely new big air inlays. And there's a little highlight. Our design department call it boomerang because it looks like a boomerang, and this is a great highlight for the RSQ3. When we then go to the side of the car, we can see here the shoulder line that gives the car a great stance, and down the rocker with a black inlay. And then when we go to the back of the car, we have a lip on the roof spoiler to give the car better aerodynamics for the car. And one highlight of the RSQ3 Sportback is the rear, because we have a completely new rear bumper, the completely new diffuser, and 2 oval tailpipes for the RSQ3 Sportback. For the first time in the RSQ3 successor, we have the new RS Sport seats with integrated headrests, fine upper ladder and the well-known honeycomb pattern. And to give the seats an even more sporty look, we have integrated an Alcantara pod in the shoulders of the RSQ3. When we then look to the dashboard of the car, we see our new RS Sport steering wheel with newly designed shifting pedals and one little highlight, and this is the RS mode. With the RS mode you have a direct link to the RS1 and RS2 mode, and when pushing this mode the RS specific content is automatically be shown in the Audi virtual cockpit, and this RS specific content is, for example, G meter, lap timer or shift indicator lamp.